Hi dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's special is Kerala special Nadan Mathi curry or sardine fish curry and sardine fry. Here I share Kerala style coconut sardine fish curry. In this curry I use raw mangoes. It gives high flavor and rich aroma for this curry. Mathi or sardine is very popular in Kerala. Mathi curry is authentic Kerala style fish curry which can be served with rice, appam, kappa and pathiri. Let us check the preparation method of mango coconut sardine fish curry. Tasty mango coconut fish curry is ready. We can also use tamarind and garacina other than raw mango. Sardine fish is very healthy too. Consuming this fish helps to lower cholesterol and prevent heart diseases. Let us check the preparation method of sardine fish fry. Here I share a different style of fish fry recipe. If you like this fish, try this way of fry. I surely say you can get different tasty fish fry. My family especially loves this fish curry and sardine fish fry with the hot rice. Hope you guys are also like it. Try this sardine fish curry and reply your comments. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, otherwise you can't get the notification. Meet you soon with another easy recipe. Thank you.